The story of climate change is not only a scientific challenge but a deeply human one. Over the past century, Earth's temperature has been rising faster than ever before in recorded history. This change is caused mainly by human activities such as burning coal, oil, and gas actions that release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, creating what scientists call the greenhouse effect. As a result, the balance of nature that has supported life for thousands of years is being disrupted. In many ways, the evidence is all around us. Glaciers and polar ice caps are melting, causing sea levels to rise and threatening coastal cities. Forests are burning more frequently and intensely, releasing even more carbon into the air. Extreme weather events, hurricanes, droughts, floods, and heat waves are becoming stronger and less predictable. Farmers struggle as the growing seasons shift, and many animals are forced to migrate or face extinction. Climate change is not a distant problem for future generations. It is already shaping the lives of people today. Yet, the story of climate change is not just one of danger and loss. It is also a story of discovery, cooperation, and hope. Scientists around the world are studying Earth systems in greater detail than ever before, using satellites, sensors, and powerful computer models to predict what the future might hold. Governments, businesses, and communities are beginning to recognize that adapting to climate change is not optional. It is essential. The goal is not only to prevent further damage, but also to build a world that can thrive under new conditions. Adapting means learning to live in harmony with a changing planet. It is a test of intelligence, compassion, and courage. Adaptation begins with understanding that the world will never return to its previous state. The Earth we live on today is warmer, more unpredictable, and increasingly fragile. To survive and prosper, societies must change how they grow food, use energy, design cities, and protect ecosystems. Around the world, examples of innovation and resilience are emerging. In countries vulnerable to rising seas, engineers are designing floating houses and building seawalls to protect homes and farmland. In regions facing drought, farmers are switching to crops that can survive with less water and are learning new techniques to preserve soil moisture. Cities are planting millions of trees to cool the air, reduce flooding, and improve public health. Architects are developing buildings that use natural ventilation and renewable energy to stay comfortable without adding to global emissions. These changes show that human creativity can turn crisis into opportunity. Technology plays a key role, but adaptation is also about mindset. Communities that once depended on traditional farming or fossil fuels are finding new paths toward sustainability. For example, in Africa and Asia, solar microgrids are bringing clean electricity to remote villages for the first time. In Europe and North America, public transport systems are expanding, encouraging people to leave their cars behind. Coastal communities are restoring mangroves and wetlands that act as natural barriers against storms. Each of these actions helps people prepare for the new climate reality while protecting the planet's future. As the effects of climate change continue to grow, so does humanity's awareness of its shared destiny. The planet's problems cannot be solved by one country alone. They require global cooperation, empathy, and trust. International agreements like the Paris Accord aim to unite nations in reducing emissions and supporting vulnerable communities. The challenge is immense, but so is the human spirit when driven by purpose. Adapting to global climate change is not just about survival. It is about transformation. It means rethinking how we define progress. True progress is not measured by wealth or consumption but by balance, the ability to meet human needs while respecting the Earth's limits. Renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and green infrastructure are not sacrifices but investments in a more stable and just world. In this transformation, young people are leading the way. Across the world, they are raising their voices, demanding action, and shaping new movements for environmental justice. Their message is clear. The future belongs to those who care. They remind us that climate change is not only a scientific issue but a moral one, a question of how we treat each other and the planet that sustains us. The story of adapting to climate change is still being written. It is a story of struggle, innovation, and unity. Every choice we make, the energy we use, the food we eat, the way we travel, shapes the next chapter. If we act with wisdom and compassion, the end of this story can be one of renewal. The Earth has always been resilient, and so can humanity. By embracing change, we do not lose our future, we build it. The question is not whether we can adapt, but how quickly we can learn to live in harmony with the only home we have.